Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to move columns in Excel in easy way. So many people copy paste data and delete the first column. Then it is a lengthy process, and it will I will show you the very quick process you can move. Okay, so before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So without time wasting guys, let's start the video. This is my Excel, we are here, and this is my Excel screen, and you can see the demo data here. So quarter one, quarter two, quarter three. So if I wanted to move the I want if in order to move the columns b columns to another next to another column, or before another column, you can do this that simple trick. Okay, so just select the columns which you want to move on. Okay, and press shift key of your keyboard and keep press don't okay keep press, hold it, shift button, and then uh, hold your circle on this line and press the left button of your mouse and hold it and just move where you want to it. So I'm going to move is after the C, like quarter two, after the quarter after the quarter two columns. So just move here, so you can see the quarter one has been shipped here, and after B, you can move multiple columns, and what time just select multiple columns, like press the shift key, hold the shift key and select the multiple columns. Now you can hold your circle here and cursor here, and just hold the left button of your mouse and just shift where you want to shift it. So that is how you can move multiple columns or single columns where you want to move. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.